Welcome to this CADMATIC Electrical tutorial video. In this video, we will explore how to export cable and connection data from CADMATIC Electrical to the CADMATIC Cable Router. Integrated design enables seamless exchange of design data across engineering disciplines, minimizing manual work and maximizing efficiency. This approach ensures data integrity and reduces the risk of errors, fostering improved collaboration and decision-making. First, we begin with exporting cables from two sheets. A total of 32 cables are exported to a shared cost database, where they are synchronized with the 3D model for routing purposes. In the 3D model, synchronization ensures that data from CADMATIC Electrical is integrated into the routing process, maintaining consistency and accuracy. Upon opening the interface, we see the 32 cables listed in the preview. Their material info, starting and ending locations are displayed, but at this point, the cables have not yet been routed. By selecting all the cables, we can create cable objects inside Cable Router. These objects can be routed either all at once or individually. Users can also investigate optional routes for selected cables and analyze potential issues in these routes. In this instance, we'll use the auto route function to route all cables simultaneously. Automatic routing includes interference management, ensuring efficient paths are calculated. Once this is done, the cable lengths are calculated and displayed in the dialog. With the data now available, we can also examine the fill rates of cable trays and penetrations. For detailed analysis, tray fill rates and cross-sections can be viewed and saved as drawings for documentation purposes. Clicking on a specific tray highlights its fill rate, helping to manage capacity effectively. Next, let's synchronize the CADMATIC Electrical database with the 3D Cable Router COS database. At this point, all cables have length information based on their routed paths. Changes to the design are a common requirement during project development. Let's see how modifications can be made seamlessly while keeping all data synchronized across documentation, the 3D model, and reports. First, we'll mark a cable, already routed in the 3D model, for deletion. Next, we create a new cable that does not yet exist in the 3D model. As another example, we'll change a cable's type from 90 mm squared to 120 mm squared. To ensure the change is clear, we'll add a comment for easy identification in the 3D view. After making these changes, we save the drawing and export either all cables or just the selected ones to the shared database. Returning to the Cable Router interface, we use the Update button to load the new data. The newly added cable appears in the list, awaiting routing. By clicking Auto Route, the cable is routed, and its length is calculated. If additional length is needed, it can be added to either end of the cable. For example, we might add 1 meter to one end and 2 meters to the other. Adjustments can be specified as a percentage of the total length or as fixed values. Next, we compare the changes. One cable has had its type updated, and another cable has been deleted. To finalize, we delete the removed cable from the 3D Cable Router database. Upon synchronization, the changes reflect throughout the project. With all modifications complete, we can generate updated reports. For example, a cross-section report now displays the revised 120 mm squared cable. Once verified, the data is synchronized across the shared database. After the final synchronization, deleted cables can be removed entirely from the project tree and all associated documentation. Thank you for watching this tutorial on integrating CADMATIC Electrical with the Cable Router. By leveraging integrated tools and processes, your projects can achieve higher efficiency, minimized risks, and improved overall results.